arithmetic progression in that 1.2, in that question number 3, in that 5th one we are doing. In the following APs, find the missing term. They have given the AP, we have to find the missing term. First step, we have to write the given. So question is like this: A they have not given, A2 they have given, A3 they have not given, A4, A5 they have not given, they have given A6 as 22 minus 22. So now the first step, whatever they have given, we have to write. A2 as 38 they have given, A6 as minus 22 they have given. First term A they have not given, and the common difference D they have not given. So we have to find the question, that is A3 we have to find, A4 we have to find, A5 we have to find, and the A5. Meanwhile, when we are doing this, we have to find the common difference also to find this. See here, we know that nth term of the AP series has An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. See, to assign to this, we need A value R, we need n value R, we need D value. So here A value they have not given, they have not given n value, they have not given D value. Only thing is they have given is A2 and A6. Now I have only one option is A2 and A6. See, this formula I am going to divide, I am going to use it for A2 and I am going to use it for A6, because we know that A2 is 38 they have given, we know that A6 minus 22 they have given. Okay, now I assign the value like this. So one is this and one is this. So A2 is equals to A plus n is 2 minus 1 into D. So A2 value we know that 38 into 38 is equals to A plus 2 minus 1 into D means A plus D. With this one I am going to consider as equation 1. Here the same formula I am using for A6. A6 is equals to A plus 6 minus 1 into D. A6 value we know that minus 22, A is remaining same, and 6 minus 1 into D becomes 5D. So this I am going to consider as equation 2. So on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we obtain like this: minus 22 minus 38 is equals to 40. So D value becomes minus 15. See, equation 1 from 2, equation 1 from 2. So I am going to write like this: minus 22 is equals to A plus 5D. Equation 2. 38 is equals to A plus D. Equation 1. On subtracting means minus minus minus, I have to subtract this one, equation 1 from 2. Now minus 22 minus 38, it becomes minus 60 is equals to, this is plus 5, this is minus 5, can get cancels. 5D minus D, it becomes 4D. So I am going to write like this: 4D is equals to minus 60. So D is equals to minus 60 divided by 4. So minus 15 is the answer. D value we found that minus 15. See here, D value we didn't find, so now we found that D value is minus 15. So now this value I am going to assign it to the equation 1. See here, so here I am going to show the methods. A is equals to A2 minus D, that is 38 is equals to minus 15, it becomes 53. A plus D, I am going to write like this. 38 value, the minus 15 D value I am going to assign 38 and it becomes 53. A value becomes 53. Now A3 means I am going to write like this. A plus 2D. A3 is 53. Sorry, A value is 53 plus 2 into minus 15 is the D value. So after solving this, it becomes 23. So A3 is 23. Now A4 value, A4 means A plus 3D. A value I am going to write as 53 plus 3 minus value, minus 15 is the D value, so it becomes 8. And A5 means A plus 4D, that is 53 into plus 4 into minus 15, it becomes minus 7. So I am going to write 53, 23, 8 and 7 respectively are the answer which we have missed in the question.